props to my leverage, the evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name was Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool.
My name is Al Midget.
And my name is Pete Hansen.
And if you don't know by now, then you need more schooling.
Well, I founded this group. It's called The Noblemen, and it's a local nonprofit focused primarily on giving back to local kids.
I'm the Director of Development. I've worked for The Noblemen for just coming up on 2 years, and I have been very involved in the organization for a long time. I would say 3 months ago, we would have never imagined that someone would be videoing us to talk about juicing and being healthy, that's for sure. We were both overweight and not feeling good about ourselves, that's for sure, and eating lots of things we're not going to eat anymore.
Probably poster boys for the Five Guys over here. Our job requires that we go to lots and lots of meetings, lunch meetings, dinner meetings, all involve food, and we cook a lot, and I have to eat everything that I cook and make sure it tastes good.
I eat it with him so he doesn't, feel alone in that.
Because of that, we were both overweight. I mean, by quite a bit, in my opinion.
I think I speak for both of us. I didn't like looking in the mirror. I was just unhappy with how I looked.
I ran the New York Marathon at one point in time, and running was no longer really possible. I biked quite a bit. I didn't enjoy biking near as much. I just felt bad. I also liked to surf, and I wouldn't be caught dead in a wetsuit anymore because I looked like a stuffed sausage. A friend of mine had a Nintendo Wii, and he did the orientation with the Nintendo Wii, and after you do that, it tells you basically how you are, what kind of shape you're in, and mine was obese. It said, "You're obese." It was so humiliating to find out after doing that we were going to have fun, and he told me, "Well, you're obese, we can start with that."
We were having lunch at a local restaurant, and our friend Sharon Ting came in, but she told us about the movie Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. And then I was working in my office one night and came across it on my computer. Boy, as soon as the credits started rolling on that movie, I ordered my juicer and told Al the next day, I said, I found something that we need to do.
I was optimistic and skeptical at the same time because at 54 years old, I've attempted to lose weight so many times and fail. I would lose some and then gain it again, as you hear all the time. For me, what was very attractive to it was I wasn't paying anybody a fee to lose weight. I simply could be in complete control. I was also excited about the fact that this had quick results.
Gosh, I feel so much better. I've lost 40 pounds in the past 60 days, but I still want to lose more. I still want to go down 15 to 20 more pounds. So we're excited to share our stories with them and excited to bring people that we know to Fruitive and so they can come here and drink great healthy juice.
Fruitive is located in Hilltop. I'm excited about the salads and the granola things and all of those things. I can't wait to come here, and I can't wait to tell my friends about it.
You have lunch meetings all the time, and I think they'll probably turn to juice meetings at Fruitive.
There you go.
It's delicious.
Good stuff.
I love it.
I'm feeling skinnier already.
That's right.